I'm Susan. Today I'm going to show you what I did in my random glue book because I was going to film, in fact I did film playing in my random glue book because it's been a month since I've gotten to play in it since I was doing Maggie May. And so Monday I was going to have a video up for you, but lo and behold I filmed it with half of it cut off. So I'll show you what I did, and but I have another glue book that I'm starting. I added the Gorilla Glue in here. I added the fork in here. It's 45 minutes of my life I spent filming only to have to delete it. But that's what it takes sometimes. Let's see what else I got. I added in some more backgrounds. And these are some more backgrounds. In fact, I added these in after playing in it, just fooling around. Some of the stuff I just kind of tacked down. I added her with the Gorilla Tape. She didn't have any arms, so I added the Gorilla Tape on top of that. She's enjoying herself. And let's see. Oh, I got some other things here. I love that dog. I added this next to the books. I added her to this background, and I added her to this background, and I think those are new backgrounds as well. I need to glue that again. I had glued down this background and added this. I glued down her. I thought that was very cool. And he was just a creepy guy, I think, with a foot fetish. And I added the shoes. I added this here and here, and I did this page. I was busy. I added some ZQL. I added another purse and a few coins. Let's see. Oh, I did this. Added the Hummel to the page here. And I added her and him jumping from a bungee and her dancing. And I think that's it, if I'm not mistaken. I added a vase of flowers. So that's what I did and filmed, and that didn't get done. Well, I, for the longest time, have wanted to do an alphabet glue book. And I was playing with my cinch, so I decided to make an alphabet glue book. And I ended up with an extra page that was stuck together. So I'll just move everything over a little bit. But I have enjoyed Debbie's at My Vagabond Style. So I am going to make, this one's just a small one. So let me get my alphabet fixed, and I'll be right back. Alright, I think I got it fixed. It's a good thing I didn't glue these down because I wasn't sure where I was going to put them. So I have got a few images here. So since Q is hard to come by, I've got Quaker. For that. And I'm just gonna, I've got an old glue stick I'm just gonna use since I'm just tacking this down where it's almost empty. Okay, let's see. P, I've got pillow. I've got pillow, and I've got a Pharaoh. So tack those down till I decide what I'm gonna, where I'm gonna put them for good. let's see. W, I have got waffles and a watch. Here, I'll add them all and then I can design it how I want it. I don't have X right now. Oh, and I have window. Okay. Got 2 pages for T. Let's see. S, I've got spoon. R, I've got a ruby. I've got peanuts. Let's see here. Oh, and I've got a plate. Pete was filling up fast. Okay. Let's see. I've got a shoe. And I've got a wreath. W's filling up. Oh. I've got pots. All right. Let's see here. L, I've got a ladybug. Oh, I've got paint. Boy, I think Pete's going to be done today. Okay. Let's see, D. Oh, I have another shoe. D, I have a detour. I have dice. I have a dog. E, I have this teeny tiny Elvis, and I'll keep losing him, so I'd like to get him somewhere. Let's see. C, I have coffee. I have, I don't know if it'll fit. Could tilt it. Candle and a candlestick. Cat. May cut that off just since it's words. And I think I'm going to go ahead and add him because it's on a cardboard. Of that face. Okay. And I have a could be a decanter, but I'm going to go with bottle. And I have a buffalo. Oops. Glue sticks biting the dust. And this is sticking to my fingers. Alright. Let's see here. F, I've got food or fig Newtons. And let's see. Skillet. I may go with iron skillet since it'll probably be harder to find some eyes. So iron skillet. And a Southern cook has to have her iron skillets. I know I have to have mine. And our rings. Let's see. Oh, got some more. Let's see, we got makeup. We have got granola bars. We have a stop sign. I may trim that down. Let me go ahead and trim that a little bit more. Pesky laundry is done, so I need to work quick, finish this up. And I don't have to keep the thing. Okay. Let's see what else we have. We've got some tools. We have got, I'll save this shoe. Come back here. We have got L, we've got lights. G, we have got garden tools. I'll think about it. I'll go ahead and put it, tack it down, but it may be too big to use. Oh, and Q, got a QR code. And B, got a bucket. No, I'm going to put that under W for well, if I have room. May not have room. This one may be done. And see, I've got compass. And I may cut that down. In fact, I know I am. Okay. And I've got the stickers for car, so I'll hang on to these. So let's see what we got. I think we got a good start. I've got a bottle and my buffalo. I've got my cat and my compass, which I need to move that over, it'll be fine. Coffee and a candlestick. I've got dice, dog, and a detour. Food, Elvis. Garden tools, granola. I've got my iron skillet. I have got my ladybug and lights. Makeup. I've got lots of peas. I've got a pillow, a pharaoh, paints, peanuts, plate, and pots. I have got a Q for Quaker and a QR code. Rings and ruby for R. Spoon, shoe, and a stop sign for S. Tools for T. I kind of have an idea what I need to be looking for. I got lots of windows. I've got a whale, which I could change that to bucket. Window, watch, wreath, and waffles. And I think that's it. So, I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. I want to thank Debbie for giving me this idea. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.